Welcome students. In this video I'm going to teach you how to write a sum into the with the summation compact form. Let me tell you what that means. Okay, notice here we have a pattern. It's 1 over 5, and then the 5 is always multiplied by 1 higher. For example, here we start with 1, then we start with 2, then the next one should be 1 over 5 of 3, and so on all the way to 1 over 5 11. So this is a finite sum. I'm gonna give you the general form of the summation and then the one that we require. Okay, so how to write it? We do it like this. First, we notice that the form of this sum is gonna be like this. Every term is 1 over 5, and we call that variable I, the one that goes from 1, 2, 3 all the way to 11 or n. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now we are able to find the sum. That's the first step. Identify each term. Second step is 1 over 5 I. Then we write the notation. We're gonna go I from 1 to n. That's the general form. But remember, here we go all the way to 11. So all we need is gonna go from I. We're gonna go from 1 to 11 over 5i. So that's the final answer. So this summation can be represented by this symbol here. Thank you very much, students. So next I'm gonna give you another problem, a similar problem, so we can check it out. We have 6 over 2 plus 1 plus 6 over 2 plus 2 over 6 over 2 plus 11. So let's write each term. So each term looks like this: 2 plus I. Because notice, 6 stays the same on all. These 2 stays the same. The only thing that is changing is the second term here. 1, 2, 3, or 4 all the way to 11. So we can put I for it. And then that's the first step. The second step is to put it in notation form. We're gonna go from I to n. That's the general form. And we write the term 6 over 2 plus I. But here we require all the way to 11, so we don't need n. N is a finite sum, but it's general. So what we require here on this problem is to go from I1 all the way to 11 of the term. That's what we need. So this is the final answer. Well, thank you very much, students.